Everyone, my name is Jaya Gaikwad and today we will learn lists in Python. Let's see the definition of list. A list in Python is a collection of items stored in a single variable. It lets you keep multiple values together like numbers, words, or even other lists. Lists are written with square brackets. Items are ordered in lists. Lists are changeable. They can hold different types of data at once. So this is list. Now let us see how to create a list. A list in Python is created using square bracket. So compulsion of square bracket, it can hold multiple items including different data type. So here is the program you can see. Now let us see list indexing. So what is indexing? Indexing refers to accessing an individual element from a list using its position or index. So in Python, lists are ordered, meaning the elements have a defined order and each element is assigned a specific index number. Lists in Python are zero index. Now let us see access elements using index. So this is the screenshot of the program, you can see it below. Now let's study negative indexing. Negative indexing in Python allows you to access elements of a list from the end rather from the beginning. The main advantage of negative indexing is that it simplifies accessing elements from the back of a list, which is often useful when you don't know the length of the list or when you are interested in the last few elements. Access elements from the end of the list. This is negative indexing. Below is the example of negative indexing. You can have a look. List slicing. What is slicing? Slicing is a technique used to retrieve a portion or subset of a list by specifying a start, stop, and step index. It allows you to create a new list from an existing one by extracting elements between specified indices. You can extract a sublist from a list using slicing syntax. Below is the syntax and example given. Modifying list elements. So modifying list elements, lists are mutable, meaning you can change the elements after they are created. You can modify a list elements by accessing them using indexing and directly assigning a new value to the element. For example, here is a screenshot below. You can check it. Adding elements to a list. Methods to add elements: append, insert, and extend. Append adds an element to the end. Insert add an item at the specific index, and extend adds all elements of another list. For example, here is the examples given. Removing elements from a list. Methods to remove elements are remove, pop, and delete. Remove element removes first matching item. Pop removes item at a given index, and delete removes an item by index. Here is the example below. Let's see list methods. The methods are append. It adds an element at the end. Second is insert. It inserts element at the specific index. Third is extend. It adds multiple elements. Remove removes first matching element. Pop is it removes and return element at index. Clear removes all elements. Index finds the index of all elements. Count occurrences of an element. Sort the list in ascending order. Reverse it reverses the list. Copy it runs a shallow copy of the file of the list. So there is an example. You can have a look at it. The next topic is looping through lists. Using loops to access list item. There are two loops. One is for loop and the second one is while loop. For example, using a for loop, you can see the example below. Here I have put the screenshot of the program. List comprehensions. List comprehensions is a concise and elegant way to create or transform lists in Python. It helps to reduce the amount of code and makes it more readable. It can, in short, it is a conceived way to create lists. Below is the example. I have put the screenshot. You can see and understand it. What are nested lists? A nested list is a list within another list. It allows you to store data in a matrix-like or hierarchical structure. It is useful for tables, grids, or organizing complex data. In short, list is nothing but a list inside another list. Example is given below and screenshot is available here down. You can have a look. List versus other data structures. Comparison with tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Lists are ordered and mutable. Tuples are ordered but immutable. Sets are unordered and mutable. And dictionaries are store key value pairs. So these are the differences. Real world use cases of list. Use cases storing collection of items. Example shopping list. Data manipulation and analysis. Example using list to store data points and storing users input, processing data, etc. These are the real world use cases of list. Thank you.